Hello YouTube, Dion from A.D with the unboxing of this SurgeArrest Essential SurgeProtector by APC with 5 outlets, 1.5 meter cable and protection for kids. This is a must-have to protect your electrical devices, and we can check here all the specification of this product in various languages. And it is well known that the brand of APC is a subsidiary of Schneider Electric, and here we can check more information about this product. We also have an on-off switch and an LED indication when the SurgeProtector is powered on. And on this side we have again all the specification in more languages, as you can see here. And you can check more information about this product on their website that is listed here. And you can also check this model. This is the European variant. So let's open this box and check closely the product itself. You can see as we open the box, it is right there, the SurgeProtector, and there is somewhat of a manual here or an information leaflet, and that's all. There's nothing else in the box. And yet again, it seems that here we have only information again in various languages about the product, and it seems some kind of a generic one, and only one side is printed. And this actually seems to cover different type of products. This seems to be a generic one for all the APC products, and I can see that this one here must be the one for us. And there also seem to be some mounting points on the rear, so we'll check that later. And I can't see any more information that are useful here, so let's check the product itself. Here we have an LED, the switch is quite satisfying, and we have all the 5 outlets here to connect and protect our devices. And now on the rear you can see we have some mounting points here, as we have seen, and the cable here is a typical cable. It is 1.5 meters and it's very long and a thick one, as I can tell. This is not a sleeved one, but we ask too much for an essential line. This cable is still fine for me and for the length, and it seems to be durable. I really like the build quality of this product and this APC SurgeProtector. This is a no-brainer purchase, so feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always from A.D, thank you for watching.